Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this, and I said in that video that it might look good in color. Well, I tried it. It doesn't really look any better than this. I am going to right-click so we have an outline. I'm going to go ahead and cut that line away with the virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to add a white using the Smart Fill tool, set on white, and I'm going to fill this in. Now I'm going to select it all and take away the outline. Then we can take this black, or matter of fact, just take the white and select it before you get the interactive fill tool. And let's just add a little bit of darkness to this white. Whoop. Whenever you do that, it's because you didn't hit inside that box. And then you could add a little darkness. We could actually make it black. And then you could rotate your degree around and make it as black, or I'm going to leave it like that. It looks pretty good. Then maybe grab the gray and do the same thing and add a little black to it. Whenever you do that, if you didn't hit that box, it'll do that. Then kind of slide it up and slide it around. I'm trying to figure out why I'm getting that line there now. Maybe it's just because what we could do, we could put a black outline around that line, and that takes away that line. Control G to group it. It's still 3 inches. We're going to set our nudge factor on 3. Control D to make a duplicate, and see how I must have missed the white. Yep. So what you need to do is make sure you select it all, go to Object and Group, Control D and make a duplicate, and then Control D. It gives it a totally different look. Now we're going to group that with a Control G, Control D. And from the first video, if you remember, we need to grab that line right there, not the white. And then Control D, Control D. And you get a totally different look. So if you didn't watch the first video and what we did with it later, you might want to watch that. Pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.